I've run across this problem here when I was trying to save this. I figure if I had this problem, everybody else probably would have this problem as well. So let me go into this, show you the problem. If I try to save this, I get this error message right here. So how do we get rid of this particular error message? One approach could be let's go up here and go under this orphans, and I can purge, but I didn't, there was no change whatsoever. So let's try one other approach. Let's go up here under Blender files, open this up, and if I hit save, it says it's ambient occlusion. All right, let's look under this ambient, and here's what we're looking for right here. So if I click on these and hit delete, and again delete. Now, if I go back in here and look under the scene file, if I go to save it now, the error is gone. So that should help other people out as well.